Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by proving where the fault lies, hardware versus software. Remove batteries or unplug the USB dongle and hold the keyboard power for 10 to 15 seconds to drain residual charge. Once done, wait 30 seconds, then reconnect to the same port. Make sure to test on a second computer or use the host's on-screen keyboard to confirm the problem is not the host. This saves you hours chasing drivers when the keyboard itself is the culprit. Now address the software layer. You should check the keyboard firmware with the manufacturer tool, note the version so you can roll back if needed. Then uninstall the device from Device Manager and reboot. Windows will attempt a fresh driver install. Make sure the input language and layout match what you expect, and double-check accessibility toggles like sticky keys or repeat delay. These often mimic hardware failures. Once complete, retest keys to see if behavior changed. For final escalation, perform a factory reset using the keyboard-specific sequence. This clears custom mappings that can break input. If problem persists, remove keycaps and inspect switches. Clear debris with compressed air and clean contacts with 90% plus isopropyl on a swab. If you see intermittent traces on the PCB or failed switches, consider swapping the switch or ordering a replacement PCB. If none of this helps, contact the vendor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.